come back to subscribe please. Today, we're diving into SPK, or Spark Token, a cryptocurrency with exciting utility within the SPK finance ecosystem. This token has several potential use cases that we'll explore further in future videos. What's particularly interesting is its availability across multiple blockchains, including Binance Smart Chain, BSC, ETHEREUM, ARBITRUM, and Base, giving you options for your transactions. In this guide, our main goal is simple: to clearly demonstrate exactly how you can purchase SPK tokens. T's delve into understanding SPK finance and the SPK token. SPK finance aims to achieve certain objectives, so we'll start by outlining its vision and goals, alongside its key features. The SPK token itself is pretty useful. It's used for governance within SPK finance, allowing holders to participate in key decisions. You can also stake it to earn rewards. In the future, the SPK token could have even more applications within the SPK finance ecosystem. A quick word on tokenomics. The SPK token has a fixed total supply and a set distribution method, which is how the tokens are spread among different parties. T's talk about where you can buy the SPK token. You have options on both centralized and decentralized exchanges. On the centralized side, MEXC Global is a key player. It offers good liquidity and is generally easy to use, though it does have KYC requirements that may vary. Keep in mind that CXs are, by nature, centralized, which can raise potential regulatory concerns. We'll walk you through buying SPK on MEXC in Section 3. For those who prefer decentralized exchanges, PancakeSwap on the Binance Smart Chain is an option. It's decentralized and permissionless, but you'll need BNB and a BSC-compatible wallet to use it. Connecting your wallet and swapping for SPK is relatively straightforward. Uniswap, running on Ethereum and ARBITRUM, is another decentralized choice. It shares the benefits of being decentralized and permissionless, but you'll need ETH and a compatible wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Also, remember to factor in gas fees on these networks. Finally, if applicable, there might be other DEXs on the Base network where you can buy SPK. If so, we'll highlight them and any specific steps for buying on Base, such as bridging tokens. Right, let's delve into a detailed guide on buying SPK, that Spark token, on MEXC Global. Step 1 involves creating an account, so be sure to follow the link to MEXC Global and complete the registration process. Depending on your region, you may also need to undergo KYC verification. Next, you'll need to deposit funds into your MEXC account. You have various options for depositing, such as USDT or Bitcoin. A common method is depositing USDT via TRC20 or ERC20 networks. Just be aware of the confirmation times for your deposit to appear. Once your account is funded, you'll need to find the SPK trading pair, generally SPK/USDT, within the MEXC exchange. Now you're ready to place an order. Let's explore the difference between market and limit orders, which are your typical options. With a market order, you're buying SPK at the current market price, whereas a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. Finally, remember to secure your SPK. For long-term storage, think about transferring your SPK to a private wallet. And most importantly, ensure you've enabled two-factor authentication on your MEXC account to enhance security. Get started with SPK Finance. You'll first need to connect your wallet. SPK Finance supports a variety of popular wallets, including MetaMask and Trust Wallet. To connect, follow the step-by-step instructions provided on the SPK Finance platform. It's absolutely crucial to verify that you're on the official SPK Finance website before connecting your wallet to avoid any potential security risks. T's now talk about some key security considerations. First and foremost, the security of your wallet is paramount, especially the safeguarding of your private keys. A highly recommended practice is to utilize a hardware wallet, such as Ledger or Trezor, for enhanced security. Be vigilant about phishing scams and learn how to identify and avoid deceptive websites that attempt to steal your information. Understand that interacting with smart contracts carries potential risks, so be aware of these vulnerabilities. And finally, always remember to do your own research. It's absolutely crucial to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions in the crypto space. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please. So, let's quickly recap the key steps you need to take to purchase SPK tokens. Remember, we discussed the process of acquiring SPK, highlighting various platforms and methods. We also want to reiterate the exciting potential of SPK finance and its innovative approach. If you're intrigued by what you've heard, we highly encourage you to join the SPK finance community and explore all the platform has to offer. But before you jump in, please remember this is not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any investment decisions.